In this video, you'll learn how to create a mailing list in Squarespace. Whether you're running a business, starting a blog, or just want to keep in touch with your audience, setting up a mailing list is essential. Squarespace makes this process straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can easily manage your subscribers and stay connected. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your website dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you have access to all the tools and features Squarespace offers, but today we're focusing on the marketing options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Navigate down to the section labeled Marketing. This is where all your promotional tools are housed. Click on it and then select Email Campaigns. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how you interact with your audience through emails. Now that you're in the Email Campaigns dashboard, look to the side panel. Here you'll find an option called Mailing Lists. Click on Mailing Lists and you'll see any lists you might have already created. This area is your hub for managing all your subscriber lists. To create a new mailing list, you'll want to look for a button labeled Create List, or sometimes it might say plus Add List. Go ahead and click on that button. This step is where you begin building a new group of contacts who will receive your updates and newsletters. Next, you'll be prompted to name your list. It's important to choose a name that is both clean and recognizable. Think about what makes sense for your business or project. A good name will help you quickly identify the list in the future, especially if you plan to create multiple lists for different purposes. Once you've typed in your desired name, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your list is created and ready to be populated with contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a mailing list in Squarespace. Now, you can start adding subscribers and sending out your campaigns. Remember, keeping your audience engaged with regular updates can significantly enhance your relationship with them and help grow your brand. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident using Squarespace to manage your mailing lists. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.